Oh! First redfish. There he goes.
There's one.
Yes, sir. Look at that.
Just one.
1 million views on this channel.
That was delicious.
I got him! Oh my! Morning, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Liquid Lizard. So today is kind of a special day because it's been raining for like the past week, so I haven't been able to really make any good videos or go fishing, which I hate. But today my buddy hit me up and he's like, hey man, come on over, get here before 6 a.m. and we'll go out on Tampa Bay and target redfish, trout, snook, flounder. And I was like, that sounds like a deal to me. I woke up real early and it's now 5:24. I got to get over there. Let's get it. Everything loves gulp shrimp. I would probably eat a gulp shrimp if it didn't smell so bad. Okay.
You've been fishing with Tim's husband?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah. I think we got skunked. Well, no, we didn't. I take that back. We didn't get skunked the last time we went fishing. He caught a redfish, but I don't think it was a keeper.
There we go.
Nice.
Something that can actually provide a fight for the 1 second that I think he was still on.
It's a fat.
Oh, it's still on there.
It's a fat pinfish.
Yeah. Little. Feel a head shake. It's a trout.
Nice.
Oh, no.
Oh, wait a minute.
Look at that. Sheep's head for you.
Nice.
Just what you were talking about.
Put him in the fish tank.
Yeah.
Oh!
The poor man's tarpon.
Man, I had a big tarpon on.
Yeah, makes for a good video fighting.
Oh yeah, he jumped and he gone.
He gone.
He gone. That's okay. That's called an easy D hook right there.
Yeah, easy catch and release.
Yep. Oh yeah, they're back at it already.
Really?
Tearing it up, but I don't know what it is. Doesn't feel like huge bites.
Those flats down there are not easy.
Yeah, exactly. But you never know with that type of thing, like shrimp and squid and stuff. It's very. Oh, I got chomped in half.
Oh, that's some trout. You see those teeth marks?
Yeah, look at that.
Gee, look at that. Look at that. See the two teeth? Then
Yep.
the two teeth. That's trout.
That's wild.
Two teeth right there.
Well, it took me a big chomp out of my bait, guys.
Damn, so they're deep in the grass then, because you're bouncing at the bottom, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to get more. Come on, you're gonna rain just long enough for us to get wet, and then you're gonna stop.
Yep.
Seems to be about all for the way. Got something?
Yeah, well, hey. Oh, wait. I think so. And it came off. Yes, it definitely was. That's funny. Oh, flounder just took off.
Nuh-uh.
Yep, look. Look at the wake right there. You see it? Well, guys, we're up in the mangroves right now. It's low tide, real low. So we're just kind of sight casting around. There's a lot of bait jumping. Couple redfish we saw, a couple flounder. We got one trout in the bag. So we're going to stay on the chase. They're all up in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna say they're loving that calm, stagnant water.
There we go.
Okay.
Yes, sir. That's a red. Guessed it.
Swing 'em up here. Little rat.
Uh-huh.
Rat. So what's the size limit on those fish right there?
18 to 27 inches is a lot.
Okay. What do you think? Think you might make it?
Maybe. Oh.
Doctor performed surgery.
Yeah. That might not be good. All right, guys, check them out. Pretty fish. Look at that. Ready?
See if we'll make it.
I don't think so, buddy.
17.
17.
Just too small, or?
Pretty fish, though. Yep, a little too small. All right, guys, we're gonna let him go. First redfish. There he goes. He gone.
Uh-oh, something's messing with it.
There you go. There you go.
There's one.
Yes, sir.
Net. Little snook.
There we go. Nice, bud.
Little guy. Hang tight real quick.
Yep.
I know it's super small, but I just want to know slot.
Yeah. He's 18, huh?
They're 28 to 33.
Oh, 28 to 33?
Yeah. Check this out. Look how his lateral line's gone on the side.
Oh, that's weird. Like he got damaged or something at some point?
Let's see if he'll suck on my thumb or if he's ready to go back. You little thumb sucker. So you just a little boy, huh? You just a little boy. You don't want to...
Whoa,
there you go.
there he goes.
Look. What is that? A small trout.
I don't know. I can't tell.
Small trout.
Oh my God.
At
That's
least you found a trout.
That's the baby boy. Baby. Look at that fish, guys. Cutie. Bye.
Well, I got some.
For real?
I had some. Oh no, it's still on there.
Another baby?
Little trout.
Oh, wow.
Looks like a
That
keeper.
looks okay.
Swimming at the boat. Yeah, it's a keeper.
Yes, sir. You want to hand me the net?
Yeah, they just
Go
have
around left.
super
Go left.
Super soft lips.
yes,
Super duper soft lips. Something's on your front bowl.
What?
You have a-
Oh, no, I should. Oh!
Alright.
Yeah. As long as I fall. Oh, damn it. As long as I fall in the boat, yeah, I'm good.
It's gotta be close. It's 15.
15. That's what it's got to be.
Yeah.
Nice.
15.
Trout, I got to get good pictures of the trout. I got a picture of the redfish.
There you go. Nice.
Yes, sir. Oh my God.
Nice one.
I think so, man. Grab the net. It feels heavy. I mean, I could be wrong.
You're alright. Just keep it tight. Trout.
Oh yeah.
Attention.
In the water. We're ready.
He's low.
Oh, hey, watch out, bro. Okay. Well, he's pretty though.
Very pretty.
Kind of hard there.
There we go. Got one.
Yes, sir. Whoa! That doesn't really help him out very much. Yo.
Trout.
The net's on your side.
Here.
Another small.
Let's see. Let's shoot. Never know. Nope.
Too short.
See you later.
Hey, I found another shrimp though.
Nice. Yeah.
Guys, that's it for today. We did end up with 2 keeper trout. We actually caught quite a few fish, but we didn't catch exactly what we were going for, which was redfish. We did catch one. It was 1 or 2 inches under. I have to play that footage back, but it was a little bit under, so we did have to release that one, and we didn't catch any other redfish after that. But we did get quite a few trout, a few small trout, and so on, and we got 2 for dinner. So we're looking good, man. I'll see you in the kitchen. All right, guys, welcome back to the kitchen. So before we get started today, I just wanted to let everybody know that we actually hit 1 million views today. So thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching this video. Drop a like if you like what you're seeing. Let's go ahead and clean the fish. So we got all of our beautiful trout fillets. We have 4 of them because we had 2 keeper fish. So I got them all cleaned up and everything. We're gonna keep it pretty simple. Slap your mama, black pepper, of course, Old Bay. So just light seasoning on all of them. We don't want too heavy. Probably just gonna season the one side of these, and then we have hot butter pan right over here, ready to go in. Maybe not as hot as I thought. Baby Ray, what are you doing?
Baby Ray, what are you doing?
Stars.
What is that one?
That looks delicious. All right, guys, they're cooking a little quickly, and we don't want to overcook them, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip them.
Yummy.
Yummy.
All right, guys, they are cooking pretty quickly. I think they're pretty much done. I'm gonna let them go for just a minute longer. It does seem kind of fatty. I've never had trout before, never cooked it myself, so it is kind of fatty looking, which might be good, might make it taste good, but it's also seems to be pretty mushy, just like everybody has said in the past. Don't have personal experience with that, but I guess we'll see if the mushiness is in a good way or a bad way. I did not see any worms in these. I didn't see any worms. So that's one thing. Everybody says they have spaghetti worms, and I'm sure they do, but these particular fish did not, as far as I know. Look at that. That doesn't look half bad. We're gonna have to switch the recipe up a little bit next time, but normally in these situations, after a long day of fishing and everything, it's pretty late. For example, it's 1 o'clock in the morning right now. I just got back from Tampa International Airport picking up Alexis, and now we're just trying to eat and go to bed. So next time, hopefully we'll have some more time and we can make a more complicated recipe when we go out fishing. Maybe we can get some mackerel, or my buddy said he wanted to make some, I think, snook fish cakes. We can try to do that sometime, hopefully soon. All right, time for the test. First test of trout, spotted sea trout. Penny, what are you doing? Here, Penny, have your food. Penny, get some rice. Sweet baby. It's really good. Kind of has a strange texture. Not a bad texture really, but it is kind of like mushier. It's good though. The seasonings on it are kind of spicy, which I like. We'll see if Penny likes it. She loves it. All right, guys. Well, we're gonna go ahead and finish our dinner and go to bed. It's 1:10 in the morning now. We gotta get up for work early. We'll see you in the next one.